So this is a requested video. This is micellar water and this is cotton pad. They are used for cleaning the face, used as a cleanser. They're used for cleaning the face. We have the simple facial toner. We have serum. We have the Dr. Rachel vitamin C serum. We have the center pale moisturizer. We also have the CeraVe moisturizer. You mustn't use all of this. You can just pick one brand and get. We have the Moist Essence moisturizer by Blossom Makeup. For primer, we have the Hydro Grip primer by Blossom Makeup. We have the Stay Matte primer. We have the Classic primer by Classic Makeup. We have the Aqua Grip primer by MIS. For foundation, we have the V Beauty foundation. We have the Avo foundation in different shades. We have the Beauty by AD foundation. We have it in different shades as well. We have the V Beauty lipstick palette, which can be used as your cream blush. We have the Omari Code setting spray. We have the Kiss Beauty setting and fix spray. We have the Nubian Beauty concealer. We also have the Avo Beauty concealer. They have it in 3 different shades. We have the Yanga Beauty concealer as well. For concealer palette, we have the V Beauty concealer palette. V Beauty concealer palette. We have the Adventure concealer palette as well. For setting powder, we have the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. We also have the Beauty by AD setting powder in different shades. For powder palette, we have the Bicham Ageless powder palette. We also have the V Beauty powder palette. This is a 12-in-1 powder palette. For blush, we have the CPD blush palette. We also have V Beauty blush palette. You can pick the one you want. They are all good. We have Bicham Ageless highlighter. We have the Mega Impact mascara. We have setting spray. We have the silly spray. We have the locking spray. We have the all-nighter. We have the Avol setting spray. We have the Blossom Makeup setting spray. This Karat gel liner is in 2 different shades, black and brown for eyebrow. Then this is your sweat block. If you sweat a lot, you might need to get sweat block.